Okay, here we go. Install day. Okay, so it's all installed. I have been told that we are one of the first 10 customers to have this actually installed with the bidirectional charger right there, which is the second from the top stack. So we're one of the first 10 in the whole country of the United States to have one of these installed. The bidirectional portion will not work until version 3.0 of the app is released within the next few days. It's supposed to be the first half of June, as far as I'm told. So it does work though. It's a pretty amazing system. I like the app, and it did charge my Rivian, even on a real cloudy, overcast day like today. It did charge my Rivian while it was here with excess solar, which is amazing. That's great.